number 2. Gates open, they're up and racing. Fireworks draws for your lead. Moving up is Extraordinary, then running by the rail is Jacqueline's Diamond. Next in line is Empire Princess, followed by Time Away. Followed over on the outside by Puma, Empire's Magic, and trading the group is in Inner as they race at the last 600. Now we have 4A Extraordinary running by the rail, running on the outside. Fireworks, Jacqueline's Diamond is racing in third, followed over on the outside by Empire Princess as they turn for home. Extraordinary running by the rail. Fireworks is on the outside, moving up now to take third is the stablemate of the front runner, and that's Empire Princess. And down the stretch they come. It's Extraordinary by about 4 lengths now, followed by the stablemate Empire Princess, and finally Extraordinary. Time Away, Empire Princess, then comes Puma, Empire's Magic, 5A Fireworks, Jacqueline's Diamond, and Zin Inner comes in last.